So, years.
We've had this car forever.
What is that? Under there for the longest? Lash! Let's say, or is this a built motor with just a lid on it?
That's what I want to say.
Pinto progress. Yeah, I see. I'm like, oh, damn. What motor is this gonna be? It's a bebop. Man, this thing is nice. Whew. Oh no.
Who's up here before talking here?
What year is this one?
56.
This color.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Just went for the, thank God when he did it, he was on that side. He did something I can't tell you.
a brand new motor.
They just had a show yesterday. Summit.
See, I don't.
Yeah, they had a little pull up. I don't know when they do it exactly. What was yesterday? Monday. So
Okay.
I don't know. Monday the third damn week in the month. I don't know. Like that's weird. But yeah, they do have some on like a schedule.
Yeah.
But I always miss it. But yeah, they just Wade was up there. That's how I saw it. But today I didn't even see it yesterday.
Okay.
But anyway, won the motor.
Okay.
You won the Summit motor, and that's why. Okay. Well, how's it been?
It ain't gave me no problems.
Right.
You know, it just
AC and everything.
AC, power windows, completely off the frame. I got the halo blue lights.
Nice.
I'll show you.
What color is? Where you get the color
It's
from?
a denim. I got it off Mercedes Benz.
Okay. Because I want to say it looked familiar, and I love it though. Man. Door handles. Did it get all put together in Georgia?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
An old white dude in Lawrenceville helped me put it together.
Oh wow. So you did most of the work too?
Yeah, I got a book behind here that'll show you.
Okay.
But the halo lights on.
Okay. 3100. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nice, bro.
Thanks,
And with Corleones on them.
man. Yeah.
Was it just a style of wheel that you saw that you liked on these? Or
I saw these. I saw a pair of total similar to these, and I knew a guy that built them,
Okay.
and I called Corleone, and they built them for me.
Okay. How much for this paint job, bro?
Well, 10. But now I heard when I asked him the other week, he said, "Man, you looking at 20." So I called him at the right time.
When you did right, cause look, if you would have told me 20, I would have believed you instantly.
Yeah. He said right now they done went up so much.
That Malibu I just showed you, he said he paid 20. Well, he said that guy charges 20 also. I don't know if he actually paid 20, but he said, but he charges 20 for a paint job too.
20.
That's crazy, right?
Yeah. I said, God, I did catch you at the right time.
That must have been the first thing you did on here.
It was.
Cause yeah, just in 3 years since the pandemic,
Yeah.
man.
It was 20 years. Yeah. It was,
Oh, nice. Got the book.
yeah, I got a book on it.
So about 2020. Boy, no, about 19 then.
19.
Okay. Ooh, what? Man. That's this dope right here to have that documentation.
Yeah, so people can see that it's completely off the frame.
Y'all take notes, man. Y'all building y'all car from scratch. Please keep the documentation. A lot of work. Yeah, he definitely would charge. Yeah, one dude did all this, right? So what you did everything but the paint job, basically?
Yeah.
In the interior, I guess, or
Yeah, they do the interior neither. Jarvis,
Oh, Jarvis.
he painted it.
Jarvis.
Yeah.
J Customs?
I took him to paint, and they painted it.
What?
Yeah.
All right, Jay.
But all the body work and everything else, the whole light now.
Okay.
His name.
Oh, I didn't even see the pedals. That's different. Got a USB
Yeah, and Bluetooth radio.
built into the dash.
Yeah.
That's not regular, right?
No.
That's hard. as hell out here. Okay, let's see what he got.
In your alright. In my time, I've seen love.
Yeah, really good. What size? 24s?
Yeah. 24, 22s in the front.
Oh, okay. Did you had to get the bumpers brand new?
Bumpers brand new. Bumpers brand new. The only thing original is cab and the frame.
Damn.
Cab and the frame.
22, 24, okay. Hey, I told you.